welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu, and this video is going to be super duper interesting because in today's video, I am going to share with you the course which was the game changer throughout my journey of learning English. And the plus point is that that course was absolutely free. And I really want you guys to join that and to improve your communication skills faster. And I'm damn sure if you join that course, you will see amazing change in your English communication skills. Right? It is free of cost. You all guys can join easily. There is nothing that you cannot give any requirement. There is no requirement, any specific requirement that you cannot fulfill. It is free of cost. And it was literally a game changer throughout my journey of learning English. I improved a lot. I could enhance my communication skills after joining this particular course. So in this video, I'm going to tell you which is that course, how you guys can join that, what are the things that you need to follow, and everything in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and listen to me what are the steps that you need to follow so that you can also join and you can also take amazing benefits from this course. If you like the video, please give this video a like and let me know in the comment section when you are going to join the course and what do you think about this video. And of course, if you're new here on my channel, please subscribe it for such amazing videos, guys. Now let's start. Today I was going to the market with my one of my friends, my best friend, and I just got a pamphlet from one of that maybe person. They were just advertising the course. So I got that pamphlet, and the branch of that course was nearby my house. So it was really easy for me to join to up down every day, and I decided to join that course. It was 1 year free of cost course, English learning course. And I swear you do not have to pay a single penny for that. It is completely free. You just need to have your ID card. That's it. Nothing at all you require. And yes, one more thing that you should be plus 14 plus. You should be above 14. Okay, then you can easily join the course. It is free of cost. Now, talking to about that course, there are multiple branches in different states. I don't know which states you are watching me right now, but maybe there is that particular branch which provides the course for learning English language to enhance your personality, to enhance your communication, and there are multiple skills that you can enhance if you join that single course. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the method, I'm going to tell you the process how you can join and the name of that course. Okay, so this is called FEA. Now FEA stands for Freedom English Academy. Freedom English Academy is free organization, you can say, or NGO that provides 1 year English learning program free of cost. So you guys will enhance your skills related to personality development, and presenting something, how to do a group discussion, how to handle team, and some multiple skills you will explore, you will improve if you join this single course. And if I talk about myself, literally I've just enjoyed it a lot. I could not just realize when 1 year has completed because I was enjoying learning in that course, learning English language, learning personality development, improving my readings, and just being engaged in different activities. They guys conduct activities in course when you will be going regularly there to take class. You will enjoy some different activities while learning English. You will be the part of some different games which you will of course enjoy. Simultaneously you will be enhancing your English skills also. So there are so many things, guys. I cannot even explain in the single videos. There are so many things. You guys can just imagine, like 1 year program. How can I just tell you in the single video? There are numerous activities, numerous games that you are going to join, you are going to enjoy while learning English, while improving English. And I have realized, or I have seen this thing, that a person who could not speak small sentences, small conversation, I've been, I've been watching them, noticing those people that they have improved, they have started speaking English after joining that course. That's why I really want you guys to give it a try. Just give it a try and you'll see the change. You'll see the change in your English communication skills, and you will say thank to me later. I'm damn sure regarding this. Okay, now talking about the process, how you guys can join that. So as I've searched online, there are separate branch or multiple branches in different state or country, state and cities. Not country, it is in India only. Now, I think in Delhi there are multiple branches of FEA, Freedom English Academy, and maybe in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Hyderabad, these cities and state wise, there are so many branches, state wise, city wise. So you guys can just search online first of all. If there is any branch nearby your house, in your city, in your state, and if you find that, just join that directly, because there is a limit to take people, just to join. There is the criteria that 20% can join in a one batch only 20 students can join in one batch, and they have around 8 batches in one day. They handle eight, I think eight or four batches. I'm not sure about that. I mean, it has been 1 year or 2 years. I've joined that and completed that. I'm graduated, and they provide you certificate. They provide you books, all the material that you need to for reading, for writing, for practicing English. They provide you everything free of cost. You do not have to pay anything. You can go to the website of Freedom English Academy and take numbers of the facilitator, managers, or you can say teachers, and try to connect them. Try to connect with them, that you can also ask how we can actually join, what is the simple process, because it was nearby my house, so it was quite easy for me to join. And I've done this course offline only. You guys can do online, offline, both, but for that you need to be sure, you need to talk to that facilitator or the person. They are from FEA, Freedom English Academy. Okay, you can just go to the website, take number of those people, and try to talk to them so that you can get some ideas. And you can also search on the map, Google map. If you find any Freedom English Academy branch nearby your home, go to offline, just go and visit the branch, and just ask the facilitator that you want to join. They will ask you for your ID, then you can easily join the course. Okay, and if you have any question to ask me, please drop it in the comment section. I'll let you know what is the further process and what is the next step that you can do. If you are struggling with any question or anything, just let me know in the comment section. But I'm really sure, guys, if you join this course, you will always say thank to me, because it is the game changer course in your English journey. And I hope you like the video, guys, as well as you found this video very helpful. Well, if you like the video, if you have anything to ask me, please drop it in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let's meet you in the next amazing videos.